Mama wakwaba midin ede Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Madam Fatima Eka NPP communication team members no na or the ensemble atudwa a o kire say odwani echirem e wo northern region and there eye agenda 111 a his excellency Nana Addo Akufo e promising abra COVID-19 ba ya ye ho kire ye wo man because hospitals in enough no his excellency Nana Addo Akufo hwe ya no se da be say me yo batan papa a me dogan ya me president nko ade me provide hospitals 110 which is agenda 111 mutu nidin na ekoso so woga na hanu amanfo bebre dia dance na no na Madam Fatima our NPP communication team no ho HS ordinary hremu e wo northern region na okoye no agenda 111 project no omo awia ne sa HS ekoso a ehofo mo ani agenda busanfo yenti nsema Madam Fatima ede etudwa ni mikosem agenda 111 projects no 87 out of 111 no ma starting most of them omurufi niamani ahu na medi ho adanse adame ba ha betwa asojaman de emfonyini kirebo me ankasa metena moto so e wa apa east evisite Binduri site evisite Garu site
I see
Tempani site ninyi na me wo ho about 2 months ago no omurufi
ebi wo Garu na ebi wo Tempani
ebi wo ho nyina ebi sa wo Binduri me say distances between hospitals no kra no enya dafa
yeah they all kind yes
until we are sending medical services no to the doorsteps of Ghanaians and most of them make us site to crack or sell contractors so mumma twa me a video army wom Emma in fact contractors ni so December no ma wie bibia na me kodru ho no ma o ka che me kra say 100 bed capacity hospital and 60 bed amindindi because facilities egu ho no buildings egu ofanya dan ba ko me so to hanane nam lane be 4 moon 5 na crossing say ngonran bebre ebe fa wani so and that is the legacy of this government including the Eastern Regional Hospital Abanyisi. And to be Hosana and NPP Amani and Hunia Moye and Ade no Moye. And more being 2 foot muweni. Obia went me onto ambulance. Not the whole Ghana. 360 districts. You were only 55 working ambulances. Any Obia or no at a go. Wama every single constituency in this country. Our ambulance. Our regional offices are spare ambulances. Esi ho. Our national ambulance. State of the art. Abroche di eni bini ehunu sinimu. And Africa has say yakasa country be ancha na ambulance. Offer Ghana and now TikTok. Ghana for the ambulance na edidi ankrofo atemu. Oh. Mesi country be beka Ghana no ane se omuko gugu no makotwon ambulance near the abeto side by side. Don't mistake in say Ghana for are not proud of what this government has done.
Yeah.
They are really proud.
Yeah. Oh, no. Ministry of Roads, Minister no ekoshe asen roads ye. Omo yo fosu ekwan no ne ade no. Omo de to social media within short time. Ukoshe views ana aba. Enye negative news nko na sell. People are also interested.
People are. They are. Yes. Offer share mobile money interoperability. Nine this is so mobile. Some design be 1.2 billion US dollars. Yeah, the 4 million Ghana cedi na 1.2 billion. Now the OTA the any free operation ko mu nyoma ye. Na me senti Ghana 40 million ma no we hu kasa ban bi e corrupter na me ye machine. Enya nketo mo akese mu near one project na
and no kasa na or they say e levy e be kum biz na no ya ye sim registration ye asem propro wa omo e block omo sim no un scan na lock also 200 million cities. And I'm saying, hey, ade amo say, e levy ama ene yensandi sika, ene yensandi say, omo asem propro sims a omo na sinintimi register ya akam ne ke we na when this is from Chamber of Telecommunications. Mete omo ankasa no so omo kasa enkrofo a omo ntimi register omo sem no omo sika keka omo phones no o kambo mu a eye 200 million Ghana cedis 200 million Ghana cedis
over na
adana kasa na digitize we enya adwuma uni masama a woka
over adami hu obi comment me mesre ya na I want to share o se ushia agege anase Nigeria ni na se or be a sika be equivalent of 20,000 Ghana cedis. Obete said the title yebese 5. Chief, Mrs. Chief, Doctor, Mrs. Chief. Kakra no ono. Oh, obe fan no ho abode wura mo bi atenenka. Ghana yembo sika ho amane. Obi ni kuna ware 30 years oni ne salary. Yembo so. Because that me drew ho enkrofo hu mfonyi kra o social media na omu bom si abanya ya de we nyina ban na nam si no hu mfonyi si form ne kɔ honom ne fa wani kɔhwɛ ade e kɔso okwabenya. You will be shocked. But this is President Akufo Addo's legacy. Offer by 3 weeks ni mi ko srem agenda 111 projects no 87 out of 111 no ma start no most of them omu rufi Niamani ahu na medi ho adanse adame ba ha betwa asojaman de mfonyini kirebo me ankasa metena moto so e wa apa east evisite Binduri site evisite Garu site
I see
Tempani site ninyi na me wo ho about 2 months ago no mo rufi
ebi wo Garu na ebi wo Tempani
ebi wo ho nyina ebi sa wo Binduri me say distances between hospitals no kra no enya da fa
yeah they all kind yes
until we are sending medical services no to the doorsteps of Ghanaians and most of them make us site to crack or contractors and so mummy me a video army wom Emma in fact contractors in so December.
And in fact, we've seen videos upon videos people less privileged people and under no circumstance between acquaintances. Every year any scholarship, some may know because if you were London, if you were United States, can't get it in another through the free SHS. Back so fight it here. In fact, also on the bar, how do you call it? Pan. Now they are quite yet kayayo. Ubi be digger. Now they are no answer soon. Now they are cost to. This is the future this man had for you. Now, all the mamo attire. At least ne baby or tron habade. Mon suggest man say how the unfan a ban back no man attire no. Mon suggest mama hama say attire and what the bema gun and mobranum. I say ya baby or no tron abano de unfan and ban back no attire no. How can you be that wicked? Nansenya kwemu don't domani mahama. Your Excellency, former president, be catchere say, the oba mochre. Ye be wuye nti ubesi mochre de amaye. Ghana for say we don't want or see